talk about saber versus conocer. So they tell you that both of these verbs mean to know, and in certain contexts they do. Here's the difference. So saber is related to an English slang, which is savvy. You might have heard of saying like tech savvy. If someone's tech savvy, that means that they are knowledgeable in tech. And so savvy and saber are related. And so saber means to know, as in to have knowledge of. So if I say, I know that he is like this, you're saying that you have knowledge that he is like this. Okay? Now, conocer is to know in the sense of to recognize. Where if I asked you, do you know this artist? When I ask the question, do you know this artist? What I'm really asking you is, do you recognize this artist? And this is also proven linguistically because the verb to recognize in Spanish is reconocer. So this is proven in the language. Conocer can also mean to meet, like to meet someone. So these are both proven linguistically, just like ser and estar. Saber, to have knowledge of. Conocer, to recognize. And in English, when you say to know could mean to recognize, but also to have knowledge of. And so English is the one being a little annoying here, not Spanish. And by the way, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend joining the Speedy Spanish Hub. It's a free community I created with a bunch of free resources and guides to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And it'll be the first link in the description.